Hey, this is Tech Teach again. In the last lesson, we looked at creating a roof, and we were to step 6 on page 9, and we were about to finish up the creation of our roof. So in step 6, it says, in the Properties palette, edit the type to change the roof type to wood rafter, asphalt shingle, insulated, and click OK. So we're going to do the same thing we did for our floor for our roof. We're going to, when roof's up here, we're going to edit the type, and we're going to change the roof type so that it says 8-inch rafter. Right there. Asphalt shingle insulated right there. And then we want to just click OK. It says click on the green arrow in the ribbon after we do that. So again, we're in sketch mode, so when we click check, we've clicked on the green ribbon. It says answer yes to the prompt. Would you like to attach the highlighted walls to the roof to automatically extend the walls up to the sloping roof? So the software does a little bit of work for us. It's a really funny looking roof. And then it says look at the 3D view by expanding the 3D parent in the project browser and choosing 3D. So expanding that means clicking on this plus and choosing that is our 3D view. We're going to roll out. Now we can roll out. Now we can roll back in. Okay, so I've got my roof going long ways instead of short ways, but it looks like a shed. It looks like I'm okay. I'm going to look on the front of it. My overhang didn't come out, so I'm going to have to go back and make some changes to my design. I think I'd rather have my roof going the other way anyway. So I went back and all I did was adjust the, well, I can show you. So I went back and these little triangles were on these sides, and I just made some adjustments. If I click on this, then I can change it. Define slopes. When I click there, the little triangle shows up. When I click here, the little triangle shows up. What I want to do is I want to make sure that these two have triangles and those two don't. So take that off, take that off. I want to make sure every wall has a 1 foot overhang, so it overhangs all the way around, and extend into wall to core means that it's going to extend up into the crevice that the gable end makes. So now as I click check, I finish that process, and I click yes, it makes my overhang, and now I can see that the overhang is 1 foot anywhere I turn. Okay, so that's all about making the roof. Next we move to step 9, and it's modifying the wall type. It says while in the floor plan view, so I need to be in the floor plan view, click the exterior wall, and now it says the blue arrows that appear should be positioned on the exterior face of the wall. Be sure that the blue arrows are on the exterior of the building for all walls. If not, click on the arrows to toggle them outside. So if I click here, this puts the material inside. So whatever on the exterior will be on the inside. That'll put it on the outside. So then it says select one wall in the Properties palette and edit type. And then it says then depress the duplicate button. Now the duplicate button is going to be real important in our next lesson, because we're going to have to make sure whatever we do to it happens to every single wall. But I only have 30 seconds left in this lesson, so we'll pick that up in the next one. We'll do the modifying the wall type.